Master Yoda lives here. Oh, okay. That's according to Kai.
Dad, does Master Yoda live here?
Bloody just like this.
Oh, they're gonna love to hear that, Star Wars.
Cool.
Yeah. Between telling them that, you know, the Velociraptor scene from Jurassic Park was filmed in my backyard and this,
Exactly.
they're gonna freak out.
That's why I thought I should bring slippers. Ah!
It's just mud. Mud never hurt nobody. Follow the leader. You hear the... If we're quiet, we can hear the waterfall. If we're quiet, we can hear the waterfall.
Is it 11:30, 10:30, 11 I called? No, it's not 10:30, 11.
Definitely slightly more difficult to climb up here with one hand occupied with this camera. Excuse me, did you guys come back from the waterfall? Yeah? Yay, we're on the right trail. Now we're gonna let them pass us, okay? Because it's a thin trail, so we should stop right over here.